I want to do sparkle smash.
Huh?
I want to do sparkle smash.
Here. Now I got one.
Hey.
Okay, let's go back.
You're not choosing another one?
No.
All right.
Wait, we just need two. Okay, no more.
Why not?
Because we just need two and two.
Well, that's gonna be 5. So one is gonna have 3.
Huh?
You're gonna have 3. I'm gonna have 2. We gotta get another one so we can have 3 and 3.
Okay, let's go.
All right. Which one you're gonna pick?
I will take it. Gravedigger.
All right. Let's get Gravedigger.
Well, but we don't have 3 hands. Do we?
No, we don't.
Then just 2.
All right. So let's put it back.
Ow. Come on. Waste it down. Do you think there's fishes under here?
I don't think there's fishes in the
Hey,
dirt.
maybe we can make a pool down here.
A pool.
Yeah, like this. We're close to the water.
Mm-hmm. But the water's right there. Why don't we just go touch the water? Let's go touch the water. Come on. Are you excited to touch the water?
No,
You're not?
I'm not.
That's
I'm
nice.
not thinking about this.
Are we gonna put our feet in the water?
No.
Yes. Let's wait for the water to get here. Here, look. It's not cold. It's nice.
Ah.
Where are you going? Come closer.
I wanna go.
Come.
Hey, guys. Hey, new guys. Wanna come? Wanna? Whee! Can you?
I'll hold him.
Huh?
I'll hold him. Whoop. That one dropped. Wolf it.
Guys, wanna slide down up here?
All right, I'll pass him to you.
Pass them.
Whoop. There's one, and ready for the other one? Whoop. It stayed there. It's doing like a wheelie.
Huh?
It's doing like a little wheelie.
Can you do it? Can you give it to me?
What if you push it down? What if you push it down with the other monster truck?
I'll try.
All right, let's see.
Not all the way.
Not all the way. Now you need another monster truck to push those two. Mm. Okay, you think this one's gonna do it?
I don't know. I don't think I will be able to.
What if you push it a little bit hard?
Huh?
What if you push it hard? Ooh, that's so close. We need Toro Loco.
The last sentence. So if that one doesn't work, then we're gonna have to get another 5.
Another 5?
Yeah.
What? You gotta push it hard. Well, you got 2 down. Alright. I think Toro Loco is really good at ramming into stuff. Whoa! Now Toro Loco's stuck. Let's try Wolf Head.
Yeah, we'll put it.
Oh. Wait, one stays and one goes? What? That is not cool. Alright, let's see. Oh! Now he is crashed. Alright, let's try this one.
Let's try the powerful.
Let's try the powerful.
You almost broke your flag.
It went down, all the way down. All right.
I think that one is good at this. Yeah, nice catch, Turo.
It went slow. It was like slow motion.
He was like this.
Like super slow, huh? There you go. You think you can catch it?
Yeah.
Sure. Whoa. Uh-oh. It's gonna have to be a rescue mission.
By ABC.
Where did he go?
Under there.
Uh-oh. Huh. I don't think I reach. You think I look rich?
No.
Uh-huh. There seems to be a little problem then. It's gonna be a rescue mission. Whoa. Oh. I got it. There we go.
That's a safe rescue mission. Hey, you put them.
Hey.
That's funny. Give me all of them. Dad, give me all of them. I want
I'll give you these ones
Right.
first. Okay, I'm gonna have to give you. Whoa, I almost fell down. This one's here. Wait, where are you going? Go up.
Ready for this first way? Oh, hey, what is Calavera?
Calavera. Whoa. Whoa. He landed.
Can you get this?
Wait, you're going higher and higher every time I see you. Next thing you know, you're gonna be all the way up.
I can go the way up there.
You think so?
I can fly.
All right, try it.
I don't think I can.
All the way to the one rock.
I don't think I could do it.
You don't think you can do it?
Now, give me a full loco.
Wait, but you're sitting higher now. You're sitting higher. He landed it.
How about now?
Even higher? Why are you going so high?
Uh-oh.
Okay.
What? How do you get that?
I just threw it. What?
Can you get another one?
This one? Mohawk Warrior. Ready? There we go.
Nice kill, Mohawk.
What? Uh-uh.
Huh?
It stayed. Whoa. It almost went to the water. It almost went to the water. You coming down? Are you coming down the slide?
I'm going on this left. Oh no, this is zombie monster truck.
Whoa, nice jump. That was a cool jump.
Come on, follow me.
Where are you going?
Follow me. You get two monster trucks, I'll get two.
2 and 2? And that equals to 4?
Yeah.
Hey, you get the one I wanted to get. I'll get this one and Sparkle Smash.
But when there were more to get.
Well, can you take it?
Sure.
Alright.
Well,
Got all of these cars.
We got all of my monster trucks that I bought. All of my mega ones. How many mega ones I have?
You got 9.
Whoa.
Oh, are you dancing?
Yeah. I'm trying to pull out one of my fingers.
What?
Yeah.
How are you gonna pull out one of your fingers? It went down.
Mommy doesn't want to stay up there. Mommy is scared to crash.
Sparkle Smash. It's gonna what? What happened there? He
Time for another rescue.
Sparkle Smash crashed onto zombie.
Yeah.
Whoa,
What
there we go. They're landing in. They're landing inside the rock.
Let me see how they are. Mommy.
Can you find them? Can you find the treasure?
I found one. I found them. I got one. And I got another. No, this one was all the way like down deep.
All the way down?
Guess what?
What?
I ordered a plushie now.
You order what?
A plushie on Amazon.
A plushie?
Mhm.
What is that?
A plushie, a monster truck plushie.
And what is that?
A monster truck plushie.
Can you eat it?
Huh?
Can you eat that?
No!
Whoa.
We have to sleep with it.
You sleep with it?
Yeah.
Is that a pet?
Well, it's almost like a pet. You can name it a pet, but it's a monster truck. It has wheels.
It has wheels?
Yeah.
Can you drive it?
No!
Uh,
Because it's squishy and the wheels do not move.
oh, so it's like a pillow.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe next time we put it, we'll show it.
And show and tell?
Yeah,
No, I have to take my 6x6 and Toro Loco.
a 6x6. You
Yeah,
have a
for me.
6x6? Toro
No,
Loco?
for Christmas.
Oh, for Christmas you're gonna get a 6x6? What? And who's gonna bring you that?
What?
The 6x6.
I gotta bring it.
You're gonna bring it.
Yeah, I gotta have it.
You're gonna have it. Who's gonna give it to you?
Huh?
Who's gonna give you a 6x6?
Santa.
Santa?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh, you gave me great things.
But you know what? You gotta behave. You gotta be good.
Santa doesn't know.
Yes, he does. He knows if you're good or naughty.
No, he doesn't know.
Whoa. You let it go and he start driving.
What is Santa doing again?
Then he's gonna fly with that flying thingy.
Don't throw it here.
There.
Like that.
Well, you threw one and 2 of them came down. That's very interesting. Maybe. So many monster trucks. There's so many monster trucks. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9.
10.
Not 10, 9.
Wait, we're missing that October fortune, Maxie.
But we don't have them, do we?
No.
We're gonna have to find them.
Oh, or we could get them on Saturday.
For Christmas? Maybe we could get them for Christmas. If you behave good
And if I give a flower to you.
to me. But I'm not Santa.
But he'll know that I'm kind.
Oh, okay. So if you give me the flower, Santa will know that you're kind? Ah, I can reach now. I got it. Nice flower. It's a little dry though.
Put it in the water, it's dry.
Yeah? Okay. I'll put it right here on top.
He'll pass me all of them.
All of them. That's gonna be a lot of work.
What? It's just 9, not even 12.
Well, it's a lot of work. I gotta pass them all the way over there.
Or maybe I'll go over there because maybe that will be the slide now.
All right. That's a big slide.
I think we should go through here because these on the monster truck are not able to myself
Okay.
down today. I don't want to go up there. I don't want to pick up with those monster trucks.
Nice job coming down from there.
Huh?
Nice job from coming down. Your feet hurt? What happened? Is dirt?
This one.
You have dirt? Wait, there's a lot of dirt.
That's right. Nice taste, Poppy.
All right, I think we should go home now.
Why?
It's getting late.
Well, what time is it?
It is 2:31.
Is it time to go?
Yes, it is time to go. We should come here another day.
And then you'll ask you for more time?
Yes,
No.
for the whole day.
Huh?
For the whole day, and then maybe we can come with baby.
Huh?
Maybe we can come with baby.
No, I want to come another day. Yeah, I want to still play. Are you ready for the first one?
Yeah. We landed.
Are you ready for the sparkles now?
Cool. I can't believe I got 3 with one hand.
Uh-oh.
All right, hold on. Let me get the other ones. I think I can get 4 this time. Guess how many I got now? I got 4. I got all of them. Well, almost. Missing this. And this one. Think you're gonna be able to throw all of them?
What time?
Maybe 1 by 1.
Maybe 2 by
3 by 3? 2 by 2? Alright.
Or maybe a lineup will go down.
Whoop. Wolf head went down.
Can you put them with the back?
Try doing those first. Let's see what happens. They sounded like something was breaking. All right, Nathan. Anything we're gonna have to go? Say bye.